Good morning and happy Tuesday. We are on this page for our math here. It's page 295. It looks like this. If you need to pause the video to get this out, you're more than welcome to. We're going to start on the top here. It just says write the sums and differences. I picked 4 random ones from here to do all together. So we'll start with this one here. It's your third one in the middle there. And it's 54 plus 27. And then we are going to start in the ones column here. So we know that 4 plus 7 equals 11. So we're going to write our 1 here and carry our next one over to the tens column. So then we have 1 plus 5, which we know is 6, plus 2 more. We have 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. And then we'll go to this one here on the second row. The first one on the second row, we have 49 and 21. So again, we'll start on our ones column for 9 plus 1. Well, we know that's 10, so our 0 comes down and our 1 carries over. And we have 1 plus 4, we know that's 5, plus 2, if we have 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. And then if you go to the third one there on the second row in the middle, we have 24 minus 3. And we'll start in our ones column, so we'll have 4 minus 3, which gives us 1. And then we have 2 minus, and there's nothing there. So we just bring our 2 all the way down because there's nothing to take away from it. And then the very last one here, 75 minus 20, we have 5 minus 0. Well, we know if we have 5 cookies and we don't eat any, we still have 5 left. And 7 minus 2, well, we know that that is 5 as well. Perfect. And then number 2, it says count by 5s to fill in the missing numbers. And they've given you all of the numbers here. And it starts with 451, 452, 453, 454. And so you know that our next one would be 455. And then I ran out of room going across, but just follow me still here. 456, 457, 458, 459. And if we were to just cover up the 4, we know that after 59 is 60. So we know that 60, and then we need to add back in our 4 in the hundreds column. So if we count by 5s, we'd have 455, 460, and 465, and so on. So you're just going to fill in the rest of those here. So I've helped you with the first one here and the last one on the top row. And then we have number 3. It says how many cents? They've given us a dime, a penny, a nickel, a quarter, and another penny. So remember, if you need to write the value of the coin right above it or below it, you can. And we know a dime is worth 10 cents. We know a penny is worth 1 cent. We know a nickel is worth 5. We know a quarter is worth 25. And we know that a penny, again, is worth 1 cent. So we'll start with our biggest number, which is our quarter, our 25 cents. So we have 25 cents. And then if we go to the next biggest, it is our dime. So if we have a quarter and a dime, 25 cents and 10 cents, we know that we have 35 cents plus 5 more cents. We should have, let's see, if we have 25, 35, we'll have 40, and then 41 and 42. So we'll have 42 cents all together. And on the back side here, we have some raindrops. And it says up top, it says an odd number of even drops make noisy plops. An even number of odd drops hit the umbrella tops. So they've told you down here, it says number 1, color the even numbered raindrops dark blue. So your even numbers are going to be dark blue. And just remember, if your number ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, those are your even numbers. And color the odd raindrops light blue. And if your odd numbers, so if your number ends in a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, those are colored light blue. And your umbrella is colored red. And so you can see here that, like if we look at let's just pick this one, 68. So we know it ends in an 8, which is an even number, so we're going to color that dark blue. And then once you're done coloring, you're going to answer the questions. How many even number of raindrops for number 1, and how many odd number of raindrops for number 2? All right, and that's all for your math today. Happy Tuesday.